guys. We figured it's the new year. And we figured since we reorganized our cabinets that we would do a collection update. So here it is, and we hope you enjoy it. We'll start off with the Hot Toys tumbler, the quarter scale NECA alien, and the SOTA quarter scale pumpkin head. On our infamous shelf, we have the Most Wanted Osama bin Laden and Saddam Hussein, the Third Reich Hitler the Artist, Sideshow's Vlad Dracula and Billy the Kid. Then we have the Sideshow Twilight Zone Eye of the Beholder Doctor and Nurse, the Invader, Nightmare at 20,000 Feet, Canamit, and in the back corners we have the Outer Limits Ebonite the Interrogator and the creature from Island Earth. In the back we have the custom Louis the Exterminator, Majestic Studios Battlestar Galactica Apollo, Starbuck, and Cylon Commander, Hot Toys Mars Attacks, Martian Ambassador, and Martian Soldier. Now up top we have the 1979 Kenner 19-inch Alien, the custom 1/3 scale Smilodon Predator, Trendmasters Jumbo Voltron, and then we have our Sideshow Star Wars figures. We have Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Anakin Skywalker, Emperor Palpatine and Throne, Greedo, Luke and Han in Stormtrooper disguise, the Sand Trooper exclusive, Stormtrooper exclusive.
Oh, and Commander Cody and Captain Rex up in the back.
Leia in Boushh disguise, Bib Fortuna, Jabba the Hutt and Throne environment, Qui-Gon Jinn, the Rebel Endor 3-pack, Young Obi-Wan Kenobi, Mace Windu, Kit Fisto, Clone Commander Obi-Wan, A New Hope Obi-Wan, Bespin Han Solo, Bespin Luke, Han Solo the Smuggler, Princess Leia, Tatooine Luke, Yoda, Clone Wars Amidala, Jedi Luke, and Ceremonial Luke. And in the back we have Kreese and Co.
Oh yeah.
and Rice's Lestat. Okay, and then we have the Hot Toys DX Bruce Lee, Sweeney Todd, DX Jack Sparrow, and DX Indiana Jones. And we do have the final DX we were missing, the Michael Jackson Bad, on its way, but it's not here yet. And then we have Sideshow Chucky and Full Moon's life-size replica Blade. Then back to the cabinet. We have the Hot Toys T700, Aoshima Die-Cast T700, the 2-in-1 Marcus Wright, John Connor Final Battle version, shout out to Mike Son on that one, T1000 in Sarah Connor disguise, T2 T800, and behind him T1000 2-in-1, T600 weathered skin version. And from the Predators film we have the Falconer, Tracker, Berserker, and Classic Predators. Hot Angel Machiko Predator. From the Predator 2 film, we have the Shadow Predator, Guardian Predator, Lost Predator, Elder Predator, and Predator 2. From Predator, the original Predator, AVP Requiem Wolf Predator, and AVP Elder Predator, Chopper Predator, Scar Predator, and Celtic Predator. Sideshow Dream Warriors Freddy Krueger, the Springwood Slasher, Original Freddy, New Nightmare Freddy, and Freddy vs. Jason Freddy Krueger. Friday the 13th Part 7 Jason, which was the first appearance of Kane Hodder. Freddy vs. Jason 14-inch Jason. Jason X Jason. Another Part 7 Jason. Jason Goes to Hell Jason. I'm losing my place. Pamela Voorhees. And last but not least, Part 2 Jason.
That's enough Jasons already, damn.
Then we have the classic and remake Leatherfaces, Michael Myers, Young Frankenstein, Igor the Monster, and Dr. Frankenstein, Majestic Studios 2-in-1 Dr. Fives, Dark Shadows Barnabas and Quentin Collins, Hammer Christopher Lee Dracula, Real Toys Vincent Price from The Raven, Sideshows Mr. Hyde, Murder Legendre from White Zombie, The Invisible Man, Werewolf of London, Creature from the Mole People, Silver Screen Phantom and Mask of the Red Death Phantom of the Opera. Behind those guys we have the boxed 1978 Cylon from Battlestar Galactica, The Mummy and Ardeth Bay from The Mummy, Silver Screen Werewolf, and behind him Bella the Gypsy and John Talbot from The Werewolf, The Bride of Frankenstein, and Silver Screen Monster and Fritz from Frankenstein, Silver Screen Bela Lugosi Dracula and Renfield, Silver Screen Nosferatu, Silver Screen London After Midnight Vampire, Silver Screen Creature from the Black Lagoon, and Silver Screen Hunchback of Notre Dame. Then on the bottom shelf we have Sideshows Jen and Kira from the Dark Crystal, Sideshows Anna Valerius and Van Helsing, Hot Toys Ghost Rider and Hell Cycle, King Leonidas, Blade, Michael Jackson Beat It and Thriller, Batsuit Begins Batman, DX Batman, and DX Joker. Big shout out to Hot Toys 72 on that. Two-Face, The Scarecrow and Demon Batman, Talking Albert Einstein, Full Moon's Blade and Decapitron, Blitzway's Scarface, Sideshow's Ash and Evil Ash, from the Dead series, The Security Guard, Harbinger, and Doctor, The Master from Buffy, Talking Jesus, Scuba Diver Action Man, Sigrid von Thaler from the Dust series, Hot Toys RoboCop 1 and Ed 209, AVP Alien and Brown Repaint Alien, Aliens Alien Warrior and Brown Repaint Alien Warrior, Aliens Executive Officer Kane and Ripley and Power Loader, Alien 3 Dog Alien, AVP Grid Alien, AVP Requiem Alien Warrior and Pred Alien. Last but not least, Original Big Chap Alien. Hot Toys Iron Man Mark IV Secret Project, Mark V, Mark VI, and War Machine, Christopher Reeve Superman, and behind them, Zero Metal Defense Capsule by Bing and Master Nova, 1979 Electronic ROM.
Hold on. Oh, okay, there you go.
Hot Toys Astro Boy, and Medicom's Kaneda and Bike Set from the Akira film, Spider-Man 3 Red and Black Spider-Man, Spawn, Cyborg 9 and Tetsunoku Hurricane Polymar, Cashern, and Joe, Ken, and June from Gotcha Man.
And that's all, folks.
That's all. We really do want to give a shout out to all of our subscribers, all of our family and friends, new and old, and all the people who comment and chat with us on YouTube or Facebook.
And that's all she wrote. Peace, everyone.